Here it says, a landscaper records the heights in feet of 15 newly planted trees in a community garden. So here are the heights right here. They want us to complete a histogram by selecting the frequencies for the heights of these newly planted trees. So what a histogram looks like is, it looks like a bar graph, except the bars are smushed up together. The height of the bars are saying how frequent the heights are between this number and this number. So for example, the heights between 0 and 1, I would put the bar right here between 0 and 1. So let's look at our numbers and see if there are any that have a height between 0 and 1. And there's not. So now let's think about the bar between 1 and 2. Do any of these plants, any of these trees, start off with a height between 1 and 2 feet? No. How about between 2 and 3? Are there any of these heights that are between 2 and 3? If so, we would draw a bar right here between 2 and 3 feet. No. So how about 3? Between 3 and 4? Well, there's this one, this one, this one, and this one. So we are going to draw a bar there between 3 and 4 that is 4 tall. All right, let's keep moving. How about between 4 and 5? There's this one, that's 4.3 feet, and this one, and this one. So there's 3 between 4 and 5. How about between 5 and 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'll draw a bar that is 5 units tall. Between 6 and 7, there's 3 of them. And only 1 between 7 and 8. So now with our histogram, we can see that there are no heights between 0 and 3, that the most common height is between 5 and 6 feet. A couple of tips I would give you for this is to mark off the numbers like I did as I created it to make sure you didn't miss one along the way. Also, it says that there are a total of 15 trees, so you can also just kind of go through each of your bar and say, okay, there's 4 here, 3 here, this one is 5 tall, 3, and 1. So you can add these numbers together and make sure that those total the 15 trees, the 15 numbers that you're presenting in this histogram.